A new lawsuit has been filed against Axl Rose, the lead singer of Guns N' Roses, accusing him of sexual assault and battery. The alleged incident took place in a Manhattan hotel suite in 1989. The plaintiff, Sheila Kennedy, claims that she suffered severe emotional, physical, financial, and psychological distress as a result of Rose's actions. Kennedy alleges that Rose used his fame and power in the music industry to manipulate and control her before violently sexually assaulting her. The case was filed under New York's Adult Survivors Act, which allows sexual assault plaintiffs to file civil claims within a one-year window, regardless of the statute of limitations. This window is set to close on Thursday. Rose's attorney, Alan S. Gutman, has denied the allegations, stating that the incident never happened. He points out that the claims were filed just before the deadline and that Rose has no recollection of ever meeting or speaking to the plaintiff. Gutman also emphasizes that Rose has never heard of these allegations before. According to the complaint filed in New York Supreme Court, Kennedy, an actress and model who was the 1983 Penthouse Pet of the Year, met Rose in a New York nightclub in early February 1989. Kennedy was invited to the club by a friend who was a fan of Guns N' Roses and informed her that Rose would be there. When Kennedy approached Rose's table, she claims that he immediately focused his attention on her. Rose then invited Kennedy to his luxury suite at a hotel on Central Park West for a party with him and Riki Rachtman, who was a fill-in host for MTV's Headbangers Ball at the time. Other acquaintances of Rose and Rachtman also attended the party, where Rose allegedly provided drugs and alcohol to the guests. Kennedy states that she ended up in Rose's bedroom with him, Rachtman, and another model. However, she became uncomfortable when Rose began being aggressive towards the other model. Kennedy and Rachtman then left the bedroom and went to Rachtman's room. Kennedy claims that she heard objects being thrown and glass shattering, as well as Rose screaming at the model. Rachtman warned Kennedy that things were going to get bad. The lawsuit alleges that Rose grabbed Kennedy by her robe, knocked her to the floor, and dragged her back to his bedroom by her hair. Kennedy says that Rose then tied her hands behind her back with pantyhose while in a volatile rage. She further claims that Rose sexually assaulted her by forcibly penetrating her anus with his penis. Kennedy states that she did not consent and felt overpowered, so she decided to lie in bed and wait for Rose to finish. The lawsuit also includes allegations of battery and seeks unspecified damages and a jury trial. Rose's attorney expressed confidence that the case will be resolved in his client's favor. Guns N' Roses rose to worldwide fame with their debut album, Appetite for Destruction, in 1987, which included hits like Welcome to the Jungle and Sweet Child O' Mine. At the time of the alleged incident in 1989, the band was enjoying success with their second album, GNR Lies.